Hello, what's going on? How's it going? So I just moved into my studio apartment like a month ago. I still have some work to do, but it's definitely ready for a apartment tour. I'm super excited. I had a lot of blessings this year, a lot of advancement and growth in my career, which allowed me to move into a better studio apartment. My last studio was like a micro studio. It was really small. But I made the best of it. I made it look cute, but it was just really small and it wasn't livable. So I'm definitely happy that I can actually, have some space and like really decorate how I want to. But like I said, it's not completely done yet, but I'm really excited for you guys to see it because it's definitely really me. It's so me. My theme is kind of just black, white, and gray with a little bit of tan. I didn't really go on Pinterest or anything to get ideas about my studio apartment. I just kind of wanted to go off of what came out of my head and just what reflects me. So I hope you guys like this studio tour. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions or anything like that, like let me know. If I could add something, take something away, like let me know. But yeah, let's get on to the video. So when you walk in my apartment, you have my work from home station. I wanted to keep my work from home station separate from my living space so I can get up and go to work. But yeah, this is it. I got my desk from IKEA and my chair from IKEA, and this was all under 60 bucks. I got that from Five Below actually. I got this light, which is really cute. I got this from Home Goods, and then my cousin got me this for Christmas. And then in here, I keep all of my cords, my extra laptop, and chargers, everything's in here. And then you make your way this way. I have my shoes here. Well, most of my shoes are right here. And then over here, I have my kitchen, and it's pretty spacious. It's pretty big for a studio. I love the colors and the whites and like the white up top, dark at the bottom, and the marble. I love this color scheme. That's kind of why I got this place. And then I have my coffee station over here, coffee mug. Got this from Target. Got these little succulents from IKEA. Got this bin from IKEA, and then it holds all my coffees in here. And my favorites are cinnamon coffee and then the Starbucks Italian roast. If you haven't tried this, you need to try this. I actually got this from Home Goods. If you like cinnamon and you like coffee, you need to get that. Then in here I have my plates and stuff. Sink. Then I have my cooking utensils. I got this from IKEA. It just holds all my spatulas and things that I need for the kitchen, olive oil, cooking spray. And then in these I have candy. Like in this one I have Starburst. And then in this one, I have Hershey Kisses. And then over here I have my little preparation station, so preparation for drinks and food. Got this knife set from Marshalls for only $15, and I got this from Home Goods for like $10. So, and then my aunt gave me this for Christmas. This is for New Year's Eve because today is New Year's Eve. I'm gonna be drinking this tonight. It's about to be good. Then I have my fridge section right here. So this is what it looks like. And then coming over here, I have a coat closet. It's a little bit messy, but I have my purses, coats. Down here I have the rest of my shoes and towels. It's not that organized, so we're going to close that. And then I have my scale. And this is my bathroom. Black and white themed. I have my perfumes. I got these from Home Goods. Everything that I get is usually from Home Goods. I got this light thing from Home Goods. And this is where I keep all of my jewelry and just extra things like bobby pins and clips. And I have this little section right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might put my brushes in here. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just good for decoration. Have my spray, because you gotta keep it clean up in here. And then I have a jewelry box right here. And then this is my case with all my hair stuff, makeup stuff, everything's in here. And then this is my shower. And on the back I have a little hook with my shower cap and my towel. So going out, we're gonna make our way here. This is my laundry slash storage space. That side's messy, so I'm not gonna show you that. But I keep my suitcases, my ornaments, decorations, anything that I don't need, I put it right there. It's laundry in-house, which is nice. And as you make your way over here, it's my bedroom space. This is just here for now. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but it holds my candles, some more jewelry, and then my college diploma. And I have my bed. Got this from HomeGoods. Got my sheets from Amazon. Got my pillowcases from Urban Outfitters. Got that from Amazon. I lived in Florida for a really long time, so I wanted something that reminded me of Florida. So I got that, and it matched like the theme of my room, which is really nice. Then I have my mirror. I got this from Target, and then I have this, I got this from HomeGoods. It's a ring light for when I film videos. And then I just have my nightstand, and then I always have a cup of water next in my bed, because you just never know. And I have a wax melt that I use sometimes, and then just extra storage, like I have medicine in here, some extra candle waxes, things like that. And then down here I have like games and stuff. And then this is my closet. It's pretty messy, but that's what it looks like. Pretty spacious. Have all my dressy clothes going into more casual, and then sweaters. And then up there I have all my hats, because I'm a big hat person. And then all my jeans and pants, shorts, everything's up there. So this is my bedroom space. Then coming over here is my living room space. I got this couch from, actually I got it from Amazon, so it's a really good steal. It's a perfect size for a studio. I got this throw blanket for Christmas, and then I have my AC unit, and then this little light fixture with the plants. And then I have this really cool fur chair that I have in the corner with my lamp, and then I have some books down there that I'm reading. And then I have my TV stand slash dresser, just to, you know, optimize my space. So I have clothes in there, miscellaneous things in there as well. Then I have my blankets right here. And then coming over here is my dining space. It's very small. I got this from IKEA. It was actually $50 plus the chairs, so it was a great steal. And it's just me, so I don't need a big table. But yeah, this is what my table looks like. Super cute. This is like the overall layout of my apartment. Pretty cozy. And then the best part about my apartment is that it's on the penthouse floor, which means I get a great view. Don't have patio furniture right now because it is winter time, so there's no need for it, but I will get some in springtime. So yeah, this is it. Still decorating, still have some things that I want to add and change, but for right now it's perfect for me. It's perfect size. I have everything that I need and I can't complain, so I'm truly blessed. So yeah.